Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I love cleaning supplies that are compact and efficient.
This is the DXSAGVY Broom and Dustpan combo. The instructions are pretty straightforward. You just have the simple hinge for the dustpan, and then you just continue building that pole, and then the pole for the broom set. It's so lightweight, easy to transport, and has a magnetic clasp that makes putting on and taking off the broom easy. The bristles are so firm, so it's actually really good getting debris out of fabric. The broom head is adjustable, which makes going into tight and awkward spaces easier underneath furniture. I love the maneuverability of this broom, and the long broom handle makes it so much easier to get stuff done. And look how easy it is to set the dustpan up. You sweep the debris in and it leaves nothing behind. Then you can just attach the broom to the dustpan and move to the next room. And if the broom is full of debris, it has this awesome comb connected to the dustpan to get that out. It also comes with an extra aid in the broom itself to get any stubborn debris out. This dustpan is so stable, you can even use it without having support behind it. And in just a moment, it's all gone. And you can use that tool that's in the broom to get anything that's stuck in the comb. It's so compact, you can easily slide it into the side of the fridge or any small closet. I absolutely loved it. It's beautiful. It's useful.
And that's my point of view.